Hey beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. I know, weird, right? We're in a different location. We're in my car. How crazy is that? We're in Rosa. Anyways, today we're going to be doing the $20 Thrift challenge. As you guys know, it is back to school time, and back to school for us is to September. So, today I want to try to get some outfits for my son, so that is what is my go today. So I'm hoping to do that today. So we're gonna go to some thrift stores and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find some cute outfits in good condition and look good. And yeah, so $20 is our budget, and yeah, I think we can find some good choices. I'm hopeful. So I wanted to do something different for the channel today, and honestly I didn't even know what to do today, because like it's always such a struggle, because like you have like limited of like a budget for like like content, so like it's hard to really like find something to do. And when you need to do something and you need something for your child, so it's kind of like a win-win. So let's go do it and let's have some fun. And yeah, so I'll see you guys there, and bye guys. I'm back. I just arrived to Thrift Store USA. This is probably one of my favorite ones we have here. It's one of the big ones anyways. So I'm gonna go inside and see what I can find. I'm gonna try to record as I can. If I don't record on the big camera, I'll record on my phone. We'll see how it works. If I don't record anything, I'll just do like a haul on the camera. But we'll see what I find. But anyways, I just want to tell you that I arrived to Thrift Store USA. I'm excited to see what I find and see what I get for $20. It's gonna be interesting. Actually, I've been wanting to do this challenge for a while, so I'm actually really excited. So anyways, so see you soon. Until then, bye. Beauties, I am back from Thrift Store USA, and I'm going to show you what I got. One of the items is downstairs with my son, so it's not with me. I got him some Mega Blocks. You guys know how kids are. So I got that for him, and I'm going to show you the clothes that I got him. And I will actually tell you guys, here, around here in Virginia, at least here, I know that the taxes eat up. I'm not telling you how much taxes suck around here. When you go anywhere shopping, taxes are horrible. So no matter where you go, it just sucks. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below, and you can subscribe down here and check out the latest video right here. And of course, don't forget to check out the latest video. I almost said over here. I'm so used to keep exclusive. And of course, check the eye right up here, and comment down below what you'd like to see soon from this channel, and I'll try to do that. And let's get started. And it was not exactly $20. Let's just say that much, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be exact. I don't think everyone in this challenge ever gets to the exact $20. Let's be for real. I mean, come on. So it was 21 and some cents because of the taxes. Okay, anyways, let's get started. Let me show you what I got. And I think I did pretty good for everything I got. Like I said, I got the Mega Blocks, which is downstairs. My son's playing with them. And I got all the clothes, which I think I did really great. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so these are some cute pants, which I think are really, I like the color of them. I saw them and I really liked how they looked. I thought they really stood out to me, and I hope they look good on him. I hope they fit good on him. If not, he'll grow onto them. And I just really liked them, so, okay. Alright, he's in a school that don't have any dress code, so, anyways. And then this shirt right here, he loves Lego and, Batman and all that type of characters. And I thought that he would like this. It's super cute, and why not, right? So thought that would go together with anything. Super colorful, super cute, super good. have this one. I love the stripes and I love the little pocket. And I thought this was really cute. And it would go good with like the brown kind of like pants. And it would go good with anything really. Some jeans. And I just really liked it. I thought it would look cute on him. So I hope it looks good on him. So can't wait. Okay. And of course all of these will be washed. Believe me. Okay. Alright. And the next one, which I thought was cute and kind of funny. Kind of silly because he's silly. We got Batman here on the little here. I don't know much about Star Wars, so I'm sorry. His little spaceship, and he's eating the ice cream from Disneyland. We get the Disneyland here, and I thought it was really cute. And yeah, why not? It's super cute. And there's nothing wrong with it, so you know. So I thought it was really cute. All right. Alright, the next one, which I thought would be his favorite because he loves Iron Man and he loves Marvel in general. We have this one right here, and has like Marvel designs as well, like, you know, in the comics. That's the word I was looking for. So it's really cool. I like that. I thought that was a cool shirt to wear in the summer right now because it's super hot right now in Norfolk. And it's going to be a while before winter starts here. Alright, the next one is kind of like a brown color as well. And I couldn't really find much like jeans for him. It's really hard for us to find any jeans that will fit him. I found a couple, you know, like a couple-ish jeans. But this one I found and I thought that was really cute and simple and, you know, not sweatpants. So I thought these were kind of neat and cute. So hopefully they look good on him. Hopefully they fit. If not, he'll grow into them, like I keep saying. Yeah. Okay. Next one, we have some pants in his size. So hopefully everything goes well with these. You can wear them. Okay. Anyways, they look cute and they look durable and they look good. So they look really good. I like how they look. So okay. All right. Last one we have is this my favorite one of all the things. I love the color of these, super cute. And I just really liked how they looked. The color, the gray, just everything about these pants. I just hope these are good for him. So I'm really happy with everything that I got today at the thrift store. Like I said, I got the Mega Bloks, these clothes. So I really am happy with my challenge that I did today at the thrift store. And hope you guys enjoyed my video today. I told you it was going to be something different with my video today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And thank you so much for watching. I'm just listening. Anyways, comment down below what you'd like to see soon for this channel. And like I said, this is kind of like a fashion related video. And something that's not too expensive, but something that we need to do for our son. And something that we need to do for school. So happy back to school to anyone out there who has started. He doesn't start until September 3rd after Labor Day. So anyways, hope you guys are having a great day. And anyways, that's all I hope you guys today. I'll see you guys soon for the next one. And hopefully there is a new blog out. Go check it out down below in the description below. And check out all the other stuff down below as well. And check out the eye for the main channel. And of course, check out the latest video right here. And I'll see you guys soon. And until then, that's all. XOXO. Bye!